Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make one of popular Japanese sweets in summer, Mizu yokan. The main parts of Mizu yokan are smooth wrapping paste and water. The taste is refreshing and gentle sweet. Mizu yokan is best for summer. And today I'll use stick Kanten. Do you know stick Kanten? Have you ever seen it? This is stick Kanten. It's similar to agar. Kanten is made from agar weed. We usually use Kanten to solidify something. And today I'll use stick Kanten made in Nagano Prefecture. Nagano Prefecture is here. The feature of it is high elevation, and Nagano is surrounded by mountains. The environment of Nagano is good for making Kanten. The big difference between daytime and nighttime temperature because of high altitude is essential element to make great Kanten. In the future, I'd like to visit Nagano Prefecture and show you the process of making Kanten. And in Japan, there is powder type of Kanten as well. I think powder type of Kanten is more popular than stick type because of easy to use. Of course, you can use powder type instead of it, but I'm sure stick type is more traditional than it. So I chose to use stick type. I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, let's go! First, I cut the Kanten with a scissor. Oh. Okay, this is 3 grams of Kanten. I place it into a bowl. And I add water to prepare it for cooking. Okay. Then I cover with a plastic wrap to soak them completely. Okay, I keep it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, it becomes transparent. And then I squeeze out the excess water. Good, I transfer it to a pot. And I pour 250 grams of water into the pot. Yes, good. I'm going to heat it. I heat Kanten until it's completely dissolved. And I stir it with a wooden spatula and divide it into small pieces. The water begins to boil. I can see Kanten now. I keep boiling it for about 2 minutes. It's very important to simmer it until Kanten is completely melted. 2 minutes later. Okay, Kanten was completely melted. Great. Then I add 30 grams of sugar. And I start it to melt the sugar in the mixture. Once it boils, turn off the heat. And drain a sieve. Okay. Let it stand for a while. A few minutes later, this is 175 grams of smooth wrapping paste. I introduced how to make it in this video. If you are interested in, please watch it. Then I pour the water in which the Kanten has been dissolved. The temperature of it is not hot, it's a bit warm. Okay, I pour it. And mix them with a whipper. First, I mix them gently, not to fry them. Once they're almost mixed, I mix them quickly. Good, and then I let it cool. I prepared a large bowl of water with ice and place this mixture on the water. I keep stirring while letting it cool. The reason I do this work is that I prevent the water and smooth wrapping paste from separation. I keep stirring until it will be thick. Not yet. Yes, like this. And then I transfer this mixture to the mold as soon as possible. Nice. I remove the air from the mixture like this. Good. I keep it in the fridge over 5 hours. Next day, Mizu yokan has been solidified well. I cut the side off with a parting knife. The other side too. Okay, I remove Mizu yokan from the mold. This mold is composed of 2 parts, so I remove it very easily. I remove Mizu yokan from the mold carefully. Nice. And then I'm going to cut it into 6 parts. I slide the knife smoothly. And I move it a bit. Then I turn my cutting board like this. And cut it again. Good. Finally, I arrange them on these plates. This Mizu yokan is very fragile, so I arrange it very carefully. Okay. At last, I decorate momiji beside it. Nice, Mizu yokan is done. Looks so beautiful and makes me feel like cool. This is extremely soft and smooth, and the taste is gentle sweet and refreshing. Please try it. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Actually, Mizu yokan is one of my favorite Japanese sweets. This refreshing flavor is best for summer. If you have a chance to eat it, please try it. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.